Now number 4. Number 4, you see, if you read the question here, given one relation that if tan A equal to cot B, we have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90. So here question number 3, 4, 5 all are same right. This only given to prove. So this relation is tan A equal to cot B. We have to prove that A plus B equal to 90. So now you see one ratio we will change by complementary angle. We can change tan also, we can change cot also. So if you change tan, then complement of tan is cot and the complement of A is 90 minus A. Okay, and this side will not be changed, it is cot B. Now I see the both sides have expressed as the same ratios. So if expressed is same ratio, the ratios will be cancelled. So here 90 minus A equal to B. So now you see we can write that 90 is equal to A plus B. So it is proved that A plus B equal to 90. So it is proved. It's very easy. Is that clear? So number 4 is finished. Number 5 also it is same. So number 5 is homework. You try, you can solve it. Number 5. Now next question number 6. Read the question number 6. Number 6. Here given, you see, if ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Here ABC are the interior angles of a triangle. We have to prove sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This problem we can solve different method also. Okay, different process, different method we can prove. Now you see one easy method we can prove it. Here you see that A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle. Since these are the interior angles of a triangle, so we can write we have A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. These are the angles of a triangle. So by angle sum property, sum of these angles is 180 degree. Okay, this we can write it here. Now you see this term we will divide left hand side and right hand side by 2. So this we can write A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2, and this side also 180 by 2, means both sides divided by 2. Now this line A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90. Now you see this term will change. Here B plus C by 2 we can write 2 is the LCM, and this we can write 90 minus A by 2. Why angle A by 2 we have changed to right hand side? Because you see the relation. If we see the proof, B plus C it is given in left hand side. So that A by 2 we have transferred. Now this equal to this. Now one you see method is that we can take the ratio, trigonometric ratios of this and this angle. Same angle we can take. Means we can take the sine of this angle and this. We can take the cos also. We can take tan also. Any ratios we can take on both sides. Here since we have to prove that with this sine is there, so we can take the ratios of sine of this angle. Okay, and this side also. Sine 90 minus A by 2. See, if on both sides the same ratio, we can cancel and we can take the same ratio. Is the method and process. Is that clear? So now you see we have to prove. So this side will not be changed anything. B plus C by 2 is equal to, now you see sine 90 minus A by 2. So you see if 90 minus any angle, then this is complement. 90 minus, then it is complement. And here angle A by 2. So we know that complement of sine is cos, and that angle here A by 2. Suppose here sine given 90 minus B, then we can write the cos B. So whatever this angle and angle, that angle will be here. So okay, sine 90 minus means complement of this sine, and it is cos. Angle A by 2, so it is proved. So we have proved that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Is that clear? So it is proved. Question number 6 is very important and easy also. By other method also we can prove it. You will try to prove this by other method also. So number 6 is finished. Then number 7. Number 7. So here number 7, we have given one relation is the You see here number 7. Given that sine 67 plus cos 75 degree. Here degree is given. So here question is that you see express this sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. Now you see that angle 67 and 75 it is more than 45. Now we have to change this angle 0 to 45. Okay, 0 to 45. Now see, then we will find the complement of this. In this line we will get the answer. How? By applying the complementary angle. So if we find the complement of this angle, complement of sine is cos, and the complement of 67 is 23. Is that clear? Plus, now we will find the complement of this angle, complement of cos is sine, and the complement of 75 is 15. Okay, this and this, because this is the complement of this term and sine 15 degree is the complement of this term. Now see, our answer is that angle should be expressed 0 to 45. Now see the angle 23 and 15. So it is expressed 0 to 45. So this is the answer. In second line we got the answer. Is that clear? So this is the answer. So number 7 is finished. Okay. So here some easy examples are given. You will practice. Okay. First you practice this exercise and example solve that. After the similar problems you will solve from the sample problem. Is that clear? So exercise 8.3 is finished. Now in this page number 190, here one headlines is given that trigonometric identities. You have learned the algebraic identities. So many identities you have learned. But now the trigonometric identities. So this exercise 1-2 things I will say. In this chapter 8.1 exercise 8.2, 8.3 are easy. But exercise 8.4 is not easy for you. Okay, and remember that this exercise is very important because maximum problem will come from the exercise 8.4. So I suggest you that from beginning learn the identities. Okay, all the formulas are required, whatever you have learned in exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. All the problem plus algebraic identities and the algebraic identities also. Okay, so all things are required in this exercise 8.4. So from beginning, okay, you will learn the formulas identities. So you can solve the problem of the exercise 8.4. So today only that I will give some trigonometric identities and that you will learn. So next day I will start the exercise. So here the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Okay. So here number 1 identity is that this is the sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First identity. It is called that identity number 1. Don't say it is identity number 2. It is identity number 1. That sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Yes, we can write cos square theta plus sine square theta also 1. But here this middle sign is plus. So sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Is that clear? So square should be. So this is identity number 1. Then number 2. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay, this is identity number 2. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And number 3. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to that cosec square theta. This is identity number 3. You know, there are the 6 ratios in trigonometry: sine, cos, tan, okay, sec, cot, cosec. First identity sine and cos are related. Second, tan and sec, and third, cot and cosec. So this all 6 the trigonometric ratios are present. Is that clear? So first you learn these 3 identities. Next classes I will prove these identities and some extraction we will find it. Okay, this line we can write other also. Next classes I will show that what is the extraction of this identity. So first you learn these 3 identities. Next I will prove also and some extraction of this identity also. Is that clear? So learn these 3 identities. So practicing. So next day I will start exercise 8.4. Good, up to this much. So write the notes, online class notes in classwork copy. So only chapter 2 I have finished and chapter 8 is going on. Is that clear? So today this much. Thank you.